Hey everybody, so I just received a package from UPS. I'm gonna bring you along. I don't know what it is. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so I just received this package in the mail. It has my name on it. Says it has lithium-ion batteries in compliance with Section 2 of PL966. I have no idea what it is. So, let's open it. It says it's from Amazon. I haven't made any orders on Amazon other than the last video, which was the Lyle brick caliper windback tool. Bubble wrap. Looks like a little tiny suitcase. Whatever it is. Fotowelt WM100 Pro 4-channel R and SM smartphone. It says R and smartphone. I'm not really sure what this is. I'll bring you guys in closer since the box is out the way. Well, I have a brand new Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, so I wouldn't have bought a new smartphone. It's a chrome plated plastic handle. Professional wireless video recording microphone. Fotowelt WM100 Pro TX. Micro USB. It's a dual micro USB cable. It's a couple dead cats, or yeah, that's what we call them. WM100 Pro XTX, it's another one. What is this? This is WM100 Pro RX. So this is the receiver, and these are the transmitters. There's a shoe mount. This is interesting. Who sent it? Box. I don't think the box says who sent it. Oh, it does. Box says Shawnatak 3837 Bay Lake Trail Suite 111 North Las Vegas. And this is. Looks like it came with two of the same cable. Yeah, came with two of the same cable. Dead cats. What's in here? Move this down so you guys can see better. This is a US or a 3.5 millimeter stereo to mobile phone audio. There's a microphone. It's a lapel mic. There's two of them. And looks like a 3.5 millimeter mono with the two TRS rings. This one has three, so it's stereo. This is a TRRS. Well, it's kind of neat that it was sent. I guess since I don't have a clue who sent it, you know, I guess we could do some videos on it. This is going to be like a little unboxing video. You know, I guess we'll give it a try. See if it, maybe we'll do a comparison with like the last video I did with a bunch of microphones. Maybe we'll add this to, you know, do another video and add it to that. Or just take and do a video of just this and edit it into the old video, make a new video out of it. That's a pretty nice little package. Does it even turn on? Well, this one doesn't turn on. This one does. Does the receiver turn on? Flash, that was about it. Might have to charge them, guys, and we'll pick up this on another video. Hey everybody, so I decided to look this up. Fotowelt WM100 Pro 4-channel UHF metal professional wireless lavalier microphone system, compatible for Canon, Nikon, Sony, Panasonic, DSLR camera, XLR camcorder, and smartphones. I guess we'll find out if it works on GoPros and stuff like that. There's a 5% coupon, but this unit is $199. Yep, and sold by Nano and fulfilled by Amazon. So that's what was on the box. Oh, so that adapter is for plugging into a phone, so it converts it for a phone. Built-in aluminum body. Yeah, they're pretty small. Kind of like in the photo. Digital encryption, communication technology, wireless and intelligent connection with transmitter receiver, preset channels for each machine. 20 preset channels are available. Real-time runtime to monitor port. Earphone is supported for monitoring recorded effect. Maximum volume output without deformation. No need to adjust volume. Easy to use. Technology of reducing noise with WNCR acoustic environment, which can effectively reduce environment noise and wind noise. High performance ADC DAC digital signal process is adopted to realize high fidelity digital audio output. Technical parameters: audio frequency response 30 Hz to 18 Hz. Microphone captive. Omnidirectional number of channels, 4 channel each set, random selection among 20 channels. Wireless transmitter power 10 milliwatts, SNR 80 decibels. Power supply built in DC 3.7 volt, 1000 milliamp lithium battery. DC 5 volt, 0.3 to 2 amp external power supply. Charging time 3 to 5 hours. Battery service time 8 to 10 hours. Reference working distance 80 meters open air. Working temperature 0 to 55 Celsius. Storage temperature -20 to 55 Celsius. Product size 85 by 57 by 14 millimeters. Weighs 90 grams. If you guys want to read this, I'll just let you guys pause the video. I'd assume it would work with the GoPro, because the GoPro uses a TRS cable. Or, yeah, TRS instead of a TTRS. So, it's an analog cable. Package includes a phone cable for phone use. When you use iPhone 7 above version, please use the iPhone Lightning adapter. 2 transmitter, 1 receiver, 1 3.5mm audio cable, 1 phone cable, 2 collar microphones, 1 boot type fixation kit, 1 charging cable, and 1 user manual. Here's some videos on it. The videos on a lot of different models. CVM WM100 Plus, CVM WS50, Movo WMX 1, Fotowelt WM100 Pro 4. So there's only one video specifically on this kit. But I just figured I'd give you that information, guys. I'm not really sure why they sent it. I've never gotten an email from them. Oh, so you can charge two units at a time. Maybe that's why there's 2 cables. Maybe this is set up where you can charge 2 receivers and 2 transmitters. Maybe that's why there's 2 cables in the box. Well, alright, well, appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, as well as my Acme Tool affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!